Welcome, everybody. We're going to talk about the Google daily chart. I have it right here, and we're going to talk about the call options, the $2,700 strike price. What I'm going to teach you is the powerful secrets of using call charts. With the price volatility in Google on Friday alone, it was a $70 move, but we moved about 230 points off of that low, and we're hitting that current resistance area right now. My point is using the call charts for $5, and we hit a high 4 days later at $48. 10 contracts for $5,000 would have made you roughly right around $43,000. And buying out of the money calls is the lesson to be learned. And with dailystockcharts.com, you're going to get the option trading call chart, big profits. You're going to join the live trading room, get the entry and the exits by us. But with the kind of volatility that this market is having, we have the option volatility at its highest level than I have seen it in the last 15 years. And so, with the high volatility price movements, and you know how to establish out of the money calls or puts when they go down, they work both ways. We were totally deflated on the call chart, and buying 10 contracts would have made a big move. And when these stocks get deeply oversold, then you can buy up and out of the money. Now, when we take a look behind here, we take a look at exactly the daily chart on Google. We called the bottom on that big gap down morning, and we did. And we have it all on the website there and the YouTube channel that you're watching. We got that big move. We got the second day rally. When these stocks were so oversold, particularly on Google, and it happens when stocks get marked down really hard. They're going to get on a stochastic level and an oversold level. And the minute that we hit that oversold level there at 2470, that $2,700 call way up and out of the money have gotten marked down to $5. They were $100 a contract. They got marked down $95 left for dead. But understanding put to call ratio and ratio volatility, along with the stock price setup, along with the big returns. When some of these, like on Amazon, you could have bought 10 contracts at $1.50 and they went to 180. You would have made $170,000 just in the last couple of days on the Amazon, and I'll be covering that. We have a special series program that a lot of people don't even know. 99% of the traders don't even know how to use a call chart. It's a 1 month, 8-hour candle chart on the stock price movement. They were $310 up there. They were 100 here. They got marked down. They're going to bounce. They can never, ever stay deflated. Just like the equity price on Google here, when Google got the stochastic was like at 1. And you're going to get those big turns to the upside in the volatility. We talk about it on the website. We talked about it on Thursday. You had to buy that big opening bell gap down. We covered it the day before on how to trade it to the penny. And you can get these big gains, and you can change your career. You can change your life. You can change how much money you're going to make, bigger money than you've ever made in your life. And you're going to do that right here with us. We are market makers in options. And when they get deflated and the stock price, when that stochastic level, and every time you're at the lowest level, and that's exactly what we call a double bottom right there. And we had a big gap going into the earnings, hit the earnings, and it sold down and tanked in the volatility. We made a lot of money when they go down. You can make just as much going this way, going down, as you can this way on the call chart going up. and dailystockcharts.com. We cover it. Boy, do we ever. And when you get in this live trading room, you've been down a lot of retail option stuff. That is not what this is. This is what makes the money. And when you get the powerful secrets of trading Google option volatility or the Amazons or the ones that move 70, 80, 90 points intraday, you're going to get those 300% returns. And you're going to be able to validate this by joining the live trading room. Once you join the live trading room, what you see is what you can believe. We will open your eyes like never before in this world. When you learn what option markets are really about, not the retail model, that's everywhere. Here is totally 100% different than what you have taken other trials for. This is 100% different. This is going to make the money. And what you see is what you can believe. Trading options, volatility with big moves off of the bottoms or big sell downs off of the top. You get to make it when it goes that way. You get to make it when it gets oversold and it goes higher. You could buy up and out of the money if you understand that daily stock chart of the equity price. You don't get that. That stock moved 230 points off of the lows in 2 days. It doesn't even do that hardly ever, once in a while, and a great while. But that is what volatility does. Volatility gives you extreme upside moves off lows, and the call options give you 3, 5, 800% return. You had 20 contracts for $10,000, you would have made 100,000. And you can do it, and you can do them up and out of the money, or you can buy puts below the market. If you could buy puts that were down here at 25.50 that were just as cheap when the stock made its highs. And you can. If you know where the volatility will take you, you have to have the time and the money. We will power you like you have never seen before. Sign up for that free 5-day trial. Let us show you everything that you want.